right, here we go. Back in your lives, ladies and gentlemen. FindYourFX.com partnered up with Bulletproof Traders, providing you with top-level market analysis in real time. So let's go. Let's go right ahead, dive in. We got the Bitcoin today. So we're talking about crypto market trade of the day. I find the Bitcoin in a very compelling situation. We've been talking about the Bitcoin in the market overview at the beginning of last week, and we talked about the $1,000 mark, right? The Bitcoin was hitting that beautifully round psychological resistance level of $1,000 mark. It's not even a technical key level resistance, it's just a psychological one, but it is a powerful one. And ever since then, we've seen the Bitcoin kind of topping out, right? Kind of flirting out with that level, sliding above it, sliding below it, but basically just keeping itself on that mark. And from the short-term perspective, I find a very interesting trading opportunity right now as we speak. And this is literally the next position we're going to fire off right after this video. Right now, as far as the Bitcoin goes, here's what we see. Obviously, there is a short-term resistance key level at 102, almost 102,000, right? 101,926. You can see the level right here. And you can see that big spike from a few days ago, just basically slicing through, but bouncing back off. And then a few more days, and yesterday, I think that was the trigger day, where price action broke below the key level support of 97,700. Now, today, right off the bat, it's coming up, but it's coming up to test that level from below. I feel like it's kind of making sure it's a solid resistance now after being broken yesterday. And I feel like there's a quick move to the bottom of this range. Now this range, it started to develop around the 22nd of November. So we're talking about a couple of weeks now where price action is trading sideways, and that's really the topping out process that I've just mentioned about a minute ago. So it's trading sideways in this very tight range, and right now breaking below that 97,702, that's the trigger to jump in. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to aim for the lower section of that range, right? I think it can go to the previous low. There's two of them, one from 4 or 5 days ago and another one from about 10 days ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago, 26th of November. So the downside potential is all the way to that area, right? The previous lows. We're talking about the levels of 90,900. Having said that, we're not going to aim that low. We're just going to focus on the next big key level support of 92. Check it out. It's right here. 92,976. Right? So pretty much about 5,000 points. Not a big move. It's a quick one. Could be, the Bitcoin could hit that area within the next 24 to 48 hours. That's my estimation. All right. Now we're going to be setting our stop loss level at the 100K mark right here. Because if price action is going to smash back above that 97,700, that's probably not our position to be in, right? Probably going to run for the exit before it hits the 100,000 mark. Just once it starts to base itself above that area, 97,700, we're going to have to terminate this short position. But other than that, aiming at 5,000 points to 92,976, like I said, and once we hit that area, we're terminating this bearish campaign. I'm going to look for opportunities somewhere else. All right, guys, so there you go. Bitcoin short-term downside potential here. We're going to be firing off the first trade, a short position on the Bitcoin for the short-term cycle that's been setting the tone for the last couple of weeks now. Alright guys, that's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to come back tomorrow to pick it up right where we left. So till then, be well.